Actually, against the 6 accused, the CBI has filed the charge sheet stating that the investigation is complete with respect to the 6 accused. My objection was there because the High Court, Honorable Delhi High Court has made the observation and given the direction to the CBI to investigate on the corruption angle also. But the CBI has not investigated on the corruption angle with regard to the 6 accused because the fire NOC, building by this sanction building plan, all things are illegal, which is observed by the Delhi High Court, which is observed by the CBI Court. So, with regard to that, I objected that this investigation is incomplete with regard to the 6 accused, and therefore, if the investigation is incomplete, as per law, the charge sheet cannot be accepted by the trial court. And thus, the trial court must return the charge sheet.
So, what were the submissions that were made by the CBI while they were arguing on the charge sheet?
CBI has admitted that they will investigate the matter with regard to the corruption, and if anything comes with regard to the 6 accused, then they will file the supplementary charge sheet. So, if they are stating that if anything comes during the investigation with regard to the corruption of 6 accused, then they will file. So, they have admitted that the investigation is not yet completed. Therefore, the charge sheet cannot be accepted by the trial court.
So, what is the next date of hearing and what is expected in the court on the next day?
They have put on the consideration on the next date is on 29th of this month, October.